Luna? Don't steal from your great-grandma. Can Iris do it? Can you do it? Yes, if you do it slowly, Iris. Very slowly. Be careful, don't make her angry. Oh. Oh no, that's a bad spot. Luna still owns the spring. You see, you don't steal from great-grandma. Now's your chance. She's not looking. Yes, she's not looking. You can do it. Yes, quick, Iris. Oh, Luna gave it to her. Enough of these games. Now, Iris, it's yours. It's yours. So, is no one going to take it now? Yes, finally. I think that was a good lesson for them, right? Don't disturb the older cats.